Hello, I'm Steve Peacock and I'm the CEO of Dragon's Arm. Now, Dragon's Arm is a training organisation that operates through New Zealand and Australia. I've been doing this for a number of years. I love training and I love training Agile. Agile and business analysis we go through. Take a look at our website, www.dragonsarm.com. But take a look at, first of all, the Agile Professional course. That's your first one on your list. That'll give you a certification that's internationally recognised because it's given not by me, I simply accredit it. It is an international organisation called the International Consortium of Agile, or IC Agile for short. So that means something on your CV and it means something to your employer. What happens is that you come along as a 2-day course. There's a weekend boot camp we can go on, and recently I've just added a single-day course that gives you an attendance certification that tells you what Agile is and what it's all about, and allows you to go back with some knowledge and tools about how to implement Agile. But taking a look at this 2-day full course for a start off, we compare Agile to such practices as Scrum, XP, DevOps, Safe, RAD, DA, you name it. There's a number of different organizations out there. And we take a look at why. We can learn why almost 30% of standard projects fail compared to just 9% for similar sized projects where Agile is accepted. Why 4 times as many projects are successful when using Agile compared to using standard project methodology. And this is not just figures out of the air. This is the Standards Group, the International Standards Group, in a study of more than 10,000 projects from 2011 to 2015. Let's take a look at what we do on an Agile course. Agile, as I said, is usually about 2 days where you're given an overview of Agile, why it's successful, what is the team, what is the customer, and what is value. What is the Agile disciplines? Yes, there are disciplines within Agile, so we'll take a look at those. What are the key practices that we relate to within Agile? What are the things you cannot do without? What is project planning? What's release planning? We go through a build process and into story writing. Now, to do that, what we do is we take case studies. We're all given a pseudo company, and we're saying, right, we're starting this project based on an outline, and you will join a number of people in a team in your 2-day course. And during that team, you'll write out an entire wall of information, creating the project, running through the project, do the planning and the release planning, the build, everything else all the way through to the end of the 2nd day. So after the build process, we get right down to story writing. We take a look at things like epics and features and tasks and bugs and something called spikes. We take a look at story pointing and the best way to do those and what they are. What does it mean, points? We take a look at iterations. You may have heard of them as sprints or whatever. We also take a look at the difference between iterations and a Kanban model where, for example, if you were answering telephones, you may not understand it, and supporting. You may not know you're going to be doing over the next 2 weeks, but you can still operate that within an Agile environment. We take a look at charting and communications and adaptations to your learnings. It isn't a standard way of doing things. So it's a fun time. People come in, they really learn stuff. They go away with the ability to implement that, what they've learned into their organizations, and they go away with their internationally recognized certifications and a lot of fun. So take a look at our website, dragonsarm.com, and register for one of their courses. I'd love to see you on it. Bye.